Hey guys, welcome to our 5-day challenge. I am so excited, and I hope that you are too, because this is the very beginning of creating your course, or at least that's the whole point, right? So on day 1, which actually starts tomorrow, what we're going to be doing is really getting all of the excitement of why you even want a course anyway, right? Like, what would this really start to do, or how would it change your life, right? So I want you guys to actually go to your workbook. So you're going to get the first portion today, and I want you to start writing down those ideas, right? I want you to write the primary purpose for even creating a course. Is it to make more money? Is it because you want to get into the digital world? Is it you want to add another stream of income to your suite, your services, or anything like that? Like, right? What is the primary purpose for creating a course, right? Then I want you to go on and discover what's the reason, like what is actually your why behind everything? Not necessarily what's the purpose, but why do you want to do it? Could it possibly, change the dynamic of your family? Could now you be maybe full-time working from home? Could you possibly even quit your job, right? It's a whole lot of things that can happen. Is it something that you may want to incorporate in your family? Maybe start a product suite, pass some things down to your family, have a part of you that lives on forever. Like, it's so many reasons why you could want to create a course. Maybe you want to create a bigger impact in the world, right? And help people of a certain magnitude, people that are trying to accomplish something very specific. Maybe you want to become a celebrity guru in the digital product space. Whatever that is, I want you to just really start thinking about it, because this is the stuff that's going to get you really excited, right? Then I want you to just think about what can happen in your life, right? If this thing really takes off and you're able to add an additional $5,000, $10,000 monthly to your income just because you're creating courses. Like, what? If you told me that was possible just a few short months ago, right? I would thought you were insane. But it is very possible. It's very doable. So I want you to really get excited. That's what the day 1 is all about. Discovering those things I just mentioned, writing that down in your workbooks, and then bringing it to the live broadcast, where we're going to share some ideas and discover some strategies, just how to get this thing going and how to get you all pumped up. So you guys going to finish that tonight. You actually have all the way up until tomorrow at 12 noon Eastern Standard Time, because that's where I'm going to be going live in the group, and hopefully you can join me. And I want you to write your answers under the post, right? So all I want you to do is write your answers under the post, and don't forget to put hashtag Posh 5-Day Challenge, right? So you guys get going on that. Then you will be getting an email every day about 8 p.m. to get the next part of your workbook, so you guys can get started. I didn't want to give it to you in the morning because it's not giving you guys enough time to really kind of get the assignment done and then meet me on live at noon. So now I'm going to give it to you guys at 8 p.m. the day before every day, so you can really take your time and go through the assignment, think about what's at play, and then join me the next day on the live, where we're going to dig into some strategy, discover some new ways of how to get this done, and that's pretty much it. So stay tuned, guys. I'm excited. I hope you're excited, because this is going to be a full 5 days of fun and a possibly game changer for you guys, right? So I'll see you guys on the inside. Meet me tomorrow at 12. Stay tuned.